Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Wednesday, September 11th. So yeah, now I'm going to make breakfast. Shantika, you have requested me for this recipe, so here I am sharing it with you all. I'm making chired pulao. We called it in Bengali. It's a poha. So that's what I'm going to make for today's breakfast, and I'm starting to this vlog here, so keep watching. So here I am using onion, carrots, bell pepper as a veggie chop. You can add any kind of veggie you like, potatoes or any other kind. And we need some grated ginger and chopped coriander leaves, and lemon juice. I'll add it at the end. And now take the amount of thick poha you wanna make and then rinse it with cold water. So after that I'm going to add some oil into the pan and heat it up. Then I'm going to fry some raw peanuts. I'm going to fry it until it gets brown, and then take it out and keep aside. After that, in the same oil, I'm adding curry leaves and a little bit of black mustard. And after the black mustard sprinkles, I'm going to add carrots and onion first because it takes longer time to cook. And after it gets little soft, then I'm going to add the bell pepper and grated ginger and saute it for a few more minutes. Here I'm adding salt. After all the veggie gets cooked, I'm going to add the rinsed thick poha, and I'm going to add salt to taste, and also a little bit of turmeric, and I'm going to add some chopped green chilies. Stir it well and then add the roasted peanuts. Now I'm adding a little bit of sugar and raisins. If you don't like raisins, you can skip that, but yeah. And then at the end I'm adding this chopped coriander and lemon juice. Give it a good mix. Then I'm just adding little bit of clarified butter or ghee, whatever you have it, just to add a little bit of extra flavor into it. And yeah, it's ready to serve. Now after breakfast, I'm going to the nearby grocery store to pick some things up which I need urgently. So yeah. Now I came back home. I am going to clean this kitchen. That's what I'm going to do now.
Hello, so it's 6
6:30 now. Shomo just came back home and I'm making tea. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So for today's dinner, I'm not gonna cook. So we'll go out for dinner. I'm going to have Chick-fil-A burger and he's going to have burger from another store. And I am not going to get ready. I'm going to go like this because we are going to get our food from drive-thru, so we don't need to get ready and all. So yeah, after we pick up our food, I'm going to show you guys what we got. And yeah, I don't need to cook today and we're going to have this yummy food from outside. So yeah, let's do this.
Spicy deluxe chicken grilled.
The spicy deluxe sandwich.
Yeah, spicy deluxe chicken sandwich grilled.
And do you want the sandwich or the meal?
Sandwich.
Meal,
And
please.
you
A
said
meal?
3 of them?
Oh, sorry. We want a meal.
The meal?
Yeah.
Spicy sandwich meal?
Yeah.
Alright, what's the drink?
Drinks.
Pepsi.
Pepsi, please.
Alright. What else can I get for you?
Can I have 3 pieces of chicken strips?
Just the strip?
Yeah, just the strips.
Alright, what else?
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I know I told you guys to show you guys whatever we are eating or ordered, but I haven't because I'm quite pissed off. Whatever we ordered, not we ordered, whatever they delivered the food, that's a whole another story. You guys would be thinking it's just the burger, what's the problem in it, but no, this particular burger shop, they make grilled the patties, chicken patty, they make it crispy or grilled, whatever I want. I wanted it grilled one, but they deliver us the crispy one. So I'm quite pissed off with my order of whatever it is, but whatever, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So anyways, I'm going to end today's vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know. I know this time I have uploaded a little late, but next time I'll try my level best to upload quite often. And yeah, I'm going to so yeah, and if you love to watch my videos and still didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so whenever I'm going to upload a new video, you guys will get a notification. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys with my next video real soon. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Mwah. Bye guys.